Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: model, Android version, and the Google account tied to the device. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure battery is above 50% so processes don't fail. Once ready, try the built-in recovery options. Enter wrong PIN until the lock screen shows account or emergency options, or use the Power Plus Volume combo to access recovery for factory reset. These first steps set up the correct path forward and avoid data surprises. Next, proceed with account-based recovery. After several failed attempts, select Sign in with Google and enter the account credentials. This restores access without wiping data. If that fails, use Find My Device from another device to lock or erase the phone. Erasing restores access but deletes data. Advanced users can employ ADB or Fastboot, but those require USB debugging enabled or an unlocked bootloader. So, unless you previously enabled them, expect to perform a factory reset as the reliable middle step. To finish, perform a factory reset from recovery. Power off, hold Power Plus Volume, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset, then reboot. Once done, sign into the same Google account used before to pass factory reset protection and restore your backups. This is why knowing the account matters. If you encounter FRP lock or wrong credentials, retry the exact email and password, use Google Account Recovery on another device, or contact an authorized service. Make sure to bring proof of ownership to resolve the block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.